Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fluffy pancakes. First, separate 2 large eggs, placing the whites in one bowl and the yolks in another. Using a hand mixer, whip the egg whites until they form stiff peaks, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. This aeration step is the most crucial part for creating that light, airy texture everyone loves. Set these aside carefully. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate medium bowl, whisk the 2 egg yolks with 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture, stirring gently with a whisk or spatula until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine, as overmixing develops the gluten and makes pancakes tough. Now, carefully fold in the whipped egg whites in 2 additions. Use a gentle, lifting motion to preserve all that lovely air. The batter should remain light and airy. Heat a non-stick griddle or large frying pan over medium-low heat. Lightly grease it with about 1 tablespoon of butter, wiping off any excess. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake onto the warm griddle. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until you see small bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Carefully flip them over.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.